Here is HowBout social planning app, and this is an app where you can plan some of the events with your friends. You just give access to your calendar, and for example, you wanna create a group trip with your friends in like 2 months, and you have 5 people, and everyone has, of course, his own plans. And like if you just do it manually and you compare each other calendars, especially if people are quite busy, with work and kids and all that, then it's quite complicated. But here in this app you can just simplify that, so you can create a plan. Like you can just go for whatever night out. You just select all these different categories. You just invite friends, you can invite fun contacts, and then you can just have a date in mind. You can just set a date, whatever. So let's say like Friday 30th, start, and then you just select when you want to start it. Like I will start it 7 p.m. and we end it at 12. Just like a start, and then you select all day, not all day, and then just tap it, and then all right. So yeah, night out, and then create a plan. One going, you can be the host, and then you can just add people. You can add more contacts. You can create a poll, location details. You can set your availability, choose how this plan affects your availability, and then it will just be synced with your calendar. And then here you also have chat in there, and then you can edit plan, you can rearrange it, or you cancel it. So yeah, if you are planning some kind of party, that's basically the way to do it in a separate app. Of course, you can just do it like, if you have group chat in WhatsApp, you can just create a separate group chat and plan your trip. But maybe in some occasion it's just easier to do it in a separate app like this. And then yeah, you just have this app here. If you want, you can delete your account. Yeah, so that's basically the idea, how it works. Then you can just add friends again, and then you have your calendar, which you can sync your events with, and then you can add your friends, and yeah, so something around that.